All right, guys, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Man, I am in the Robinson Experience Center. So excited to bring you buffalo cauliflower, the recipe of the day here. This is gonna be amazing. One for you to make. We're on the Blue Star. We're gonna grill it outright. It's gonna be amazing. Buffalo sauce with it, lights out. Let's get right to the recipe, okay? Nice head of cauliflower here, rinsed it. We're gonna cut it down. And guys, you just wanna kind of give it a quick cut right down the center like this. It's a lot easier this way, so you're not really playing around with the whole head, and it rolls too, so make sure we use the flat part. Just like this. Two ways we can do this. You guys can cut cauliflower steaks, big ones, but I like to go right in the core here, do a nice V down the center, like that. So now I take this core out, and we got these beautiful heads of cauliflower like this, little florets. So I'm gonna go down the side like this. And the best part about this is when we're grilling it, we have a great surface area. So these will go in our bowl, okay? This will go in our bowl as well. Cut this right down. And guys, I have our grill, our Blue Star, heated around like, let's say 375, 400. It's on the medium high. We're on the all gas, the platinum version, which, you know, if you know, you know, it's the most fun you can have inside. Take this guy out. Nice flat piece here. This is perfect. And you get a ton out of this. Like a big head of cauliflower like this will give you a ton of great, you know, snacking, I like to call it. You know, this is a good for your March Madness, for your games, for anything fun you want to do. Just even as a nice quick bite, little tailgate X. Next, guys, we're gonna use a little bit of olive oil. We're just gonna drizzle these, and I like to drizzle them in the bowl. Creates less flare up when we go to the grill, things like that, and they actually absorb a little more, okay? Let's grill these guys out. Let's head to the grill next. All right, crew, we're ready to roll. We got this grill nice and hot. We use the attachment on this Blue Star Platinum, so we're gonna get these grilling. A little olive oil, we'll put these down just to get a nice char off them. And depending on how you cut this, crew, it's gonna be 3 to 5 minutes, okay? Best part is don't overwork the grill. Let's put them in here, give them a little space so there's area so it doesn't steam. We get the good grill, okay? Check back with them in about 3 to 5 minutes. We're gonna give them a turn, okay? All right, man, a couple minutes, give them a nice flip. Looks great. Third flip, crew, right here. All right, we did our third turn on this guy. It's probably been like about 2 minutes each side. Nice and grilled. We got great char. Don't want to overcook it. We don't want to dry them out. We just want to give them a great texture, kind of like a boneless wing would have. We're gonna shut the heat down. Look how nice. Great little char on here. And they're gonna carry over, cook a little bit too, gang. So, you know, think about that. Just like you'd have outside, but indoor. Great power on the Blue Star right here. Let's head back to the board. All right, crew, let's rock and roll. We got our grilled cauliflower. Let's turn our induction on. I have about a cup and a half of buffalo sauce here. Just gonna heat this guy up on our induction. I got the induction to about a 7, okay? Now I got 3 cubes of butter. We're gonna throw some butter in here. It's gonna be the base sauce for our buffalo wings here. We're gonna add a little bit of truffle. So now here, this is just truffle hot sauce. So it's gonna add a little depth of flavor. I'm gonna put a little bit on here too. You're gonna see me finish it with it too, just to give it a little kind of earthiness, give it a little bite to it, all right? So, teaspoon of chopped garlic goes in here too, and we're gonna melt that down. Here's the deal though. So, our cauliflower right here that we grilled, we're just gonna salt and pepper it. We didn't season it before we grilled it because we wanted to get that good char on it. And truthfully, vegetables have so much water, it absorbs out. So now's the perfect time to season these guys, okay? Little salt, little black pepper, nothing crazy. You could use some dry herbs if you want, something like that, but really no necessarily, don't need it all. This buffalo sauce, the coating is gonna finish it in a great way, okay? Give these a quick toss, all right? Now we'll check on this sauce. We just want, this is induction, so it's gonna boil fast. We just wanna really incorporate all the butter, get a nice creamy sauce here. All right, thank you induction for making my life a lot easier, all right? Just put a little around the edge of the bowl. just like that. Now, we fire this in our bowl. We just want to give these guys, you could even put them in a bowl, toss them, a Tupperware, something like that. Me, I'm just gonna give these guys a good old-fashioned coating, just like this. Even. Woo, woo. This never gets old. They look great. Let's put this here, right in our serving bowl, ready for your game time day, the little March Madness, little love, whatever you're doing. Look how nice that looks, okay? We're gonna finish with a drizzle of the ranch on top, nice and fun. Go wild with it. Don't need a lot of that, man. We got a lot of sauce happening here, okay? Finish it, just a little red. Very good stuff right here, crew. Time to go in for the taste tester. Great texture, good char, quick and easy sauce. This is one we made in minutes. Fantastic. Enjoy this, crew.